Zed AI Review. So Zed is an open source Rust-based code editor designed for blazing speed, real-time collaboration, and deep AI integration. It is legitimate and it offers absolutely fast and lightweight GPU-based UI. It also has an AI integration, which is also an agentic AI panel with full transparency, which means it leverages an AI assistant panel where you can issue commands, request edits, and see everything it processes. Now, it also offers open source and privacy focus. So for the core features, they are licensed and your AI interactions are remain private. We also have a built-in collaboration and tooling. So it offers real-time multiplayer, support coding, integrated GitHub, and native dApp debugging. It also has a flexible AI model support and privacy. And the problem is though, it may have an immature ecosystem and feature have gaps. It also has an inconsistent AI experience. They also have automatic downloads without consent, so they get the downloads automatically. They also have a possible resource management issues. And they're still in the Windows support, which is still in beta. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a high performance, privacy focused editor that pioneers new AI collaboration, workflows, and work great on Mac OS and Linux, then choose Zed AI.